Hello everybody, welcome to Bell CB. We're looking at a Galaxy DX979 that was sent to me by Anthony in Florida, a different part of Florida. He also sent me this RFX module and asked me to put it on there for him. And we went ahead and put in a Lescomm board using these switches here in the front, which was incredibly difficult and I hope to never do again. So this is now one band up, normal band, and one band down, and internally your noise blanker and automatic noise limiter circuits are hardwired. Okay, so let's check it out on the watt meter here. I got it set for 30 watts across the top. It's about 15.5 watts there, and you can see when I crank it down. Too much feedback. I'm going to turn that down. I'm going to put this on a 10 watt scale. Power is all the way down. Seeing about 4 watts. A little over. I'm going to put it back up to high power again. About 16 watts maybe. And on this one is a 100 watt slug. We'll be reading the power on the bottom. 40, 60, 80, 100 right there. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, oh, we didn't hear it. Oh, because of feedback. Audio, check, check. I'm using the stock mic he sent me too. Audio, check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. And then we'll check out sideband. That's going to feedback. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Check, 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 check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Audio, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And of course it's receiving. Oh, kind of skip. What a mess out here. My radio getting out. Break, break. Cam 4. I got 9 pounds of hash and trash out here. Hell.